Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Nur Natasha Nabila binti Ismail. Today I will explain the introduction for our topic on strata title management issue. First, about strata building. Strata building are multi-level or multi-unit development where each unit owner has individual ownership of their unit or parcel while also sharing ownership of the common property like corridor, lift or the building's external structure. In Malaysia, strata title are governed under the Strata Title Act 1985 Act 318 and the Strata Management Act 2013 Act 757. Strata schemes are commonly used for high-rise residential buildings in Malaysia. The Management Corporation MC or Joint Management Body JMB is responsible for handling building maintenance and share responsibilities within these strata properties. Next, about building defect. Building defect refer to problems or flaw in the structure, material, system or workmanship of a building which reduce its quality, safety or function. For example, these include water leak from roof or pipe, crack on walls and lift malfunction. Lastly, maintenance in strata building. Maintenance in strata buildings involve the care, repair and management of common rooms and shared facilities in building with many owners. In strata buildings, individual owners take care of their own units. The GMB or MC manages common properties such as cleaning, landscaping, lift maintenance, plumbing, drainage, lighting, electrical repairs, security and waste management.
So for Damai apartment is a low-cost apartment located on Jalan Bandar Sunway near the Mentari Court apartment. This apartment is leasehold and has 3 apartments with 20 floors in total. And it is built with an area on 750 square feet and it also started a Strata building 2016. It is surrounded by a highway, federal highway, which is ATV, and also near the Pantai Expressway NPE, which link Bandar Sunway to the border Klang Bay. So for the market price for the apartment, it starts from 775,000 and above.
Next, I will explain the major issue and causes of leaks and defects in strata building in Damai apartment. One of the main issue is pipe blockage. In apartment Damai, many residents throw improper waste such as plastic wrappers or sanitary items into sinks and toilets. This waste builds up inside the pipes and causing blockage. When pipes are blocked, wastewater cannot flow smoothly. This can lead to overflows, backflows or burst pipes and cause leaks and water damage to units below. Another issue is water seepage and leakage. This issue happens when water unexpected leaks from wet areas and penetrates to other areas of the building. The issue happens because multiple units are pulled vertically and wet areas such as bathrooms, kitchens and balconies are directly above to other units. Next, one of the main causes is improper disposal habits. For example, some residents throw things such as toothbrush, sanitary pads and baby pampers into the toilets and sinks. These items do not break down easily and can cause pipe blockage. When pipes are blocked, wastewater can overflow and leak into ceilings, walls or other units. Secondly, many residents throw unused oil or greasy food waste into the kitchen sink. These grease goes and sticks to the pipes and slowly blocking them. Over time, this traps other food particles and making the blockage worse. Other than that, preventive maintenance means doing regular inspection and small repairs before problems become serious. In this building, many pipes, waterproofing layers and seals naturally were outdated. When the JMB does not plan for regular checks, small issues like hairline cracks, edging pipes or blockage drainage are left unnoticed. Over time, this issue will get worse.
Oh, ini bosnya. Cuma kalau cuma orang buka sendiri pun tak boleh. Oh, dia pipe kita ni penuh. Pipe kita ni penuh. Pipe penuh. Penuh. Pipe ni. Cuma tak boleh. Dia tanah pun sampai dia buka sendiri.
I will tell you guys the solution to reduce defect in strata building by GMB. Firstly, strengthening regulation and enforcement. CLB Building Commissioner and GMB can enforce strict penalty for the repeated defect or non-comply that can cause the defects. To the reduced defect, in Pasar Puri Damai, GMB has account by one rules book that must be followed by residents. These rules that has been made by Mr. Nas, namely house rules. In the rules, there are many rules that can reduce defect in this building. Among the rules are use of the apartment units, general restoration and activity, renovation works. The residents in Damai Pansapuri must be follow all existing rules. If they not follow them, they can be imposed with the penalties that have been set. Second, choose skilled and experienced worker. Hire a skilled worker to the repair defect. Selecting the right and skilled worker is the solution to reduce defect. By hiring a worker who are skilled in repairing defect, you can reduce the risk of the defect occurring again. For example, Mr. Na has hired a skilled worker with long experience in the repair pipes in Pasapuri Damai to prevent the defect from occurring again. Lastly, the solution to reduce defect in strata building by JMB is JMB's use of higher quality material. Defects such as water leaking are among the most common and costly problem in the strata building. Using the high quality material that are selected correctly is the main solution to minimize the recurrence of such defects. When the damage occurs that needs to be replaced or repaired, JMB will be use high quality material because high quality material will last longer.
Now, I will talk about the importance of maintenance. First, it prevents the structural integrity and lifespan of the building. In area like Tanah Jaya, frequent rainfall and humidity increase the risk of water-related damage. Without proper maintenance, water can spin through the ceiling and cause serious issues like concrete spalling and corrosion of reinforcement bar. Second, it protects the health and safety of the resident. Leak can lead to mouth grow, which cause respiratory issues such as asthma and allergy. Shear wall and shielding in strata unit mean one unit leak can affect other. Regular maintenance ensure a hygiene living environment. Third, the Joint Management Body is legally responsible to repair defect under the Strata Management Act 2013. Next, continuous community certification. Finally, proper maintenance improve resident certification harmony. When issues like leak are left unsolved, refrosting build among neighbor, a proactive response by management build a positive community atmosphere and help prevent conflict.
Next, for condition-based maintenance is carried out when visible signs such as developing defect. At Damai apartment, early warnings like false smells, step spoils, and low water pressure indicate pipe issue, but are often ignored or handled too late. This delay worsens the damage, leading to leaks affecting multiple units. A condition-based approach will help the JMB respond quickly by using visual check and efficient complaint system to detect and resolve problems early. So lastly, emergency maintenance is urgent work to be done to handle critical safety or health risks. At Damai apartment, is usually triggered by major leaks like burst of pipes causing sewage to inter units, while urgent repair are necessary to avoid further damage. They are costly, untamed, and reveal poor early maintenance. This also can lead to damage, building damage, and cause trust issue with residents.
I will discuss about maintenance requirements for leaks and defects in strata building. Firstly, it is the duty of the unit owner or tenant to report to the JMB or MC as soon as they suspect a leak in a strata building. Early notification of any leaks is key to effective problem solving. Secondly, according to Regulation 59, the JMB or MC must carry out a comprehensive inspection within 7 days to identify the source of the leakage. Following the inspection, within 5 days after the inspection, the JMB or MC shall use the procedures stated in Form 28 to send a written notice to the responsible party. Once the source of the leakage has been identified, this formal notice is important for record keeping and initiate the repair process. Regarding accountability for repairs, the responsibility for repairs depends on where the leak comes from. If the leak is from common areas like the roof or common plumbing system, the JMB must repair it. This is their responsibility as part of maintaining common property. However, if the leak is from inside a private unit, the unit owner must fix it within 7 days after getting a notice from the JMB or MC. This clearly defines the individual unit owner's responsibility for issues within their own party. Finally, for more complex situation, the COB can appoint an architect, engineer, quantity surveyor or registered surveyor to assist the COB. This provides an avenue for expert assessment when needed.
The case of Damai apartment show that proper maintenance is very important in strata building. Common issues like water leak and plumbing defect can cause inconvention, health risk and dissatisfaction among residents. Those problems often happen because the delay in repair and lack of regular inspection. The Joint Management Body JMB must take faster action, follow legal responsibility under the Strata Management Act, and pay routine maintenance to prevent future issue. Good maintenance not only protect the building but also create a safer and more comfortable living environment for everyone.